出現嘅朋友就係
方大同。
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I'm fine.
I want to listen Donald say English, please.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah. So.
And you are?
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder.
Stevie Wonder.
I just wonder, are you Stevie Wonder? You know? Okay. So you will sing a song for us, right?
Yes, I just want to sing something. No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. No first of spring, no song to sing. Not even time for birds to fly through the sky. I just call to say I love you, yeah. I just call to say how much I care. So I just call to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Oh yeah, let's give a big hand to Stevie Wonder, huh?
Yeah.
And do you know Cantonese? Every foreigner, they said, 食咗飯未？
食咗飯未？
哇！俾咗聲方大同。
方大同1分鐘嘅拉票時間完成咗 ，Thank you， 俾啲掌聲 ，Stevie Wonder 方大同。
Hello， 大家好，我係方大同。咁啊，今年咧，或者即係呢段時間，可以話1-2年都係。除咗譬如我同事啊，音樂監製啊，但係我仲有2個好好嘅 friend， 一路都同我做音樂啦，就係一丁同埋機仔啦。咁呢2位咧係一位彈 bass 嘅，一位打鼓嘅。咁啊，佢哋真係用好多自己嘅時間出嚟同我一齊。做咗之前出嗰隻15專輯啦，咁啊演唱會當中我哋個3人組好有心血嘅音樂人，我想多謝佢哋啦，咁啊希望大家可以亦都話鼓勵佢哋，亦都鼓勵下我，咁啊為我哋投票啦 ，thank you。